Artificial intelligence is changing the world. It's impacting many fields, from healthcare to transportation. One of the most promising areas for AI is in fighting climate change.
AI can help us understand and address the complex challenges of our planet's climate. It offers solutions for a more sustainable future.
AI can analyze huge amounts of data. This ability is crucial in understanding climate patterns. AI can track deforestation patterns and model the impacts of rising sea levels. This information helps scientists and policymakers make informed decisions.
In India, AI is being used to improve agricultural practices. AI-powered systems can help farmers use water more efficiently. They can also predict and mitigate the impacts of extreme weather events. These applications are crucial for a country like India, where agriculture is a major part of the economy.
AI is a powerful tool in the fight against climate change. By harnessing its potential, we can create a healthier and more sustainable planet for everyone. While AI offers tremendous potential for good, it's important to acknowledge its environmental footprint. Developing and using AI requires significant energy. This is especially true for training large language models, which are becoming increasingly common.
The energy used to power data centers can contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. This is particularly true if the energy comes from non-renewable sources like coal. The manufacturing process for AI hardware components also has an environmental impact. The need for powerful hardware requires the extraction of rare earth minerals. This mining process can have negative consequences for ecosystems and local communities.
As AI continues to advance, it's crucial to develop more energy-efficient algorithms and hardware. We must also prioritize the use of renewable energy sources to power AI development and deployment. Despite the environmental challenges, AI is already making significant contributions to climate restoration. One area where AI shines is in waste management.
AI-powered systems can sort and recycle waste more efficiently than traditional methods. This reduces the amount of waste going to landfills, which are major sources of methane emissions.
AI is also transforming agriculture.